We're back again with a brand new DJI Osmo video, and in this video we're going to be sharing the secrets to the best video settings to get maximum quality from your Nano. Let's get straight into it. So first off, we're going to start with resolution, and the simple truth is if you want the best quality then you have to set the highest resolution, which in the case of the Nano is 4K. Now to change your resolution to 4K, all you have to do is swipe upwards and then swipe to the right, and you're looking for 4K. Now the numbers next to 4K are your aspect ratio, and normally most people choose an aspect ratio of 16:9. Next up, we're going to change the bitrate that our Nano records at, and we need to set this to the highest. Let me show you how to do it. What you're going to do is scroll down on your rear screen, go into the settings, scroll up until you see bitrate. At the minute we have it set to standard, but we can change this to high. As simple as that. And what that is now doing is saving the most amount of data from our sensor to that internal storage or SD card. Next up, we're going to change our color from 8-bit to 10-bit so we get the maximum amount of colors recorded in our video footage. Now this is really easy to set. All you have to do is touch the sliders on the right of your screen, press Pro in the upper right corner, and then under color where it says normal, you're going to change this to normal 10-bit. That now means we're recording the maximum amount of colors into our Osmo Nano. Right, we've now set the resolution to 4K, we've set our bitrate to the highest it can be, and we've also changed that color to 10-bit. That now means we're recording the maximum amount of data into our Osmo Nano. It cannot go any higher, but we can still make the video footage look even more fantastic by changing a couple more settings. Now these settings are completely optional, but let me show you them. Now we're going to go back to them sliders, make sure we're in Pro mode. And the first thing we're going to do is change our white balance from auto white balance to manual white balance. Click on the white balance and simply touch the M in the top right corner. We're now going to change this to 5500. Now with our white balance manually set, it means the camera's not adjusting all the time and changing our temperature when we're recording videos. Now I would just like to say setting it to 5500 is great for daylight recordings, but if it's overcast you may want to raise this to 6500, and if you're indoors you may want to lower it to 4500. For anybody that wants to know a little bit more about their white balance and colour temperature, here's a guide to get you started. Next we're going to change that normal colour profile into DJI's D-log profile, and I'll show you why in a second. So to change the camera into D-log, press the sliders again, go into your Pro settings under colour where it says normal, click here, and all you're going to do is scroll up until you see D-log M 10-bit. Hit that tick mark, and now that is set. Now what D-log is a flat profile, which means we're protecting our highlights and also our shadows. So let me show you exactly what D-log is. This is a video clip taken with the Osmo Nano with everything set to auto and normal picture profile. Now let us put the Nano into that D-log profile. And as you can see, our video clip now looks very washed out and very flat. But this is completely intentional. In D-log profile we're not losing any of the information or data in the bright areas of our video clip, and we're also not losing any information or data in the darkest areas of our video clip. It's all about retaining that information to get the maximum video quality. Then in post we can apply colour correction to our video clip and return it back to a normal looking video without the loss of any data in the dark areas or bright areas of our video. And this is easily achieved with a file called a LUT. Now when you record in log you're protecting them highlights and shadows, and you can also apply a LUT to restore them colours in post. Now DJI have already made a LUT for the Nano which you can apply to your footage. Now I'll leave links to this LUT in the description section down below, but you will have to learn for yourself how to apply a LUT in your favourite video editor. Now I've also made my own custom LUT that I believe improves upon the DJI version, and you can download it for free in the description section. All you have to do is give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and it's yours for completely free. Now there is one more thing we can do, and that's change our sharpness by -1. We can also lower that noise level to -1, and this setting is going to be fantastic for daylight shooting. So all you're going to do to change the sharpness and noise reduction is tap on the slider on the right again, make sure you're in the Pro setting, scroll upwards, and under image adjustment to your left is sharpness. We're going to set this to -1. With the noise reduction we're going to do the same, swipe up until it says -1, and then just hit the tick button in the lower left corner. And what this is going to do is remove some of that sharpening that makes our footage look like it's shot on a mobile phone. It's also going to remove some of that softness created by the noise reduction. So let me show you exactly what all these settings do once applied. Here's our normal video clip in auto mode, and now we're going to set everything that we've discussed in this video. And here's the difference. Now this is using my very own custom LUT, but because we've recorded our original clip in that D-log profile, we get to change the colour, the tone and look exactly how we please. So there you go, that's how you get the best video settings from your Osmo Nano. Now remember, your white balance is set 5500 for daylight recordings, so keep an eye on this if you need to change it up or down depending on your filming circumstance. Now if you've got anything at all from this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch up in that next video. See you soon everyone.